Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it, and now make sure that you will be on the video mode. So let's tap on the video, and since you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, you can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on this three bars icon, and here we have to take a look at this very first option bar, which is right here, and those options are connected to the video quality. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Now we've got 1080p and 30 frames per second applied, and you can say it because this option is highlighted, but you can also say set 720p with 30 frames per second, 1080p with 60 frames per second, and 4K with 30 frames per second. Of course, it's up to you which option you'd like to use, and all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on it. So let me pick 4K, and as you can see, this option has been immediately highlighted and applied to your device, so it means that it will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.